how to change ringtone on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings. Now it will lead you here. Now on the bottom part, you will see the second section there. You will see notifications, sound and haptics, focus and screen time. Tap on sounds and haptics here and you will see sounds and haptics pattern and you will see your ringtone. So since you want to change your ringtone here, tap on ringtone there and you will see these options, these ringtones here, and you just have to listen to it and choose the ringtone that you want to use. And if you actually don't want any of these ringtones here, then you can actually download your purchased ringtones. And basically that is how you change your ringtone. So let's just set it here and just go back here, and now you have successfully changed your ringtone. And that is how you change ringtone on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.